Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Barbarella. It's been a while since I last posted something, but today I have something very special for you guys. I am filming my entry for the NYX Face Awards 2019 for Belgium. So if you want to see what kind of look I created for the NYX Face Awards, I suggest you just check out this video. I just take a little drop like this, warm it up between my fingers and just apply over my face. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know I love colorful looks, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do for the Face Awards. And I'll be starting off with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And I'm just gonna dip my brush into the brightest yellow color I can find. And I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. Then I'm going to take this more yellowish green color right here, and I'm gonna be placing it next to the yellow color that I already used. Now I'm going to apply this lovely green color from the Off Tropic palette in Hasta La Vista. I'm going to continue with the blue one right next to it. And what I'm also going to do is to create kind of like a winged shape. So what I tend to do is create a diagonal line, which will start at the end of your nose, towards the end of the eye, and then just upwards. Now, what I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to take this purple color and apply it where I kind of created my line. So that way I have this really nice indigo color that you also see in the rainbow. What I'm going to be doing next is mixing the blue and the purple together and create a crease. Okay, so next I'm going to take the bright pink color. I am going to start applying it above the crease, so we kind of get a ombre effect there as well. And I am going to finish by using the gold color and apply this as a highlight underneath my eyebrow. So now that my basis is done, I'm just gonna go in with all the colors that I've used so far in order to build the intensity of the colors, and I'll be blending it. So that's part one of the eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeliner, which is the Epic Ink Liner, also by NYX. And I'm gonna create a winged eyeliner. There are many ways on how you can achieve a winged eyeliner. I'm just gonna do the way that I think is easiest for me, which is just, you know, you have to look down a little bit so your eye is completely relaxed, and that way you can draw an eyeliner. Okay, so let's apply foundation. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand and go in with a foundation brush. I'm going to be starting by applying it in the middle of my face and then just work outwards and upwards. Now I am going to apply my blush, and I'm going to go a little bit more extreme with my blush because, well, then again, this is the Face Awards. So my highlighting color is going to be this bright orange one. I'm just gonna gently tap my brush into it and dab it onto my cheekbones and then blend it out really softly. And everything that's left I'm just gonna put on top of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to be dabbing into this lovely hot pink color, and I'm going to apply it exactly on my cheek. So next, filling in my lips a little bit more. Okay, so now my basic look is finished, and now I'm gonna go in with the more creative part. And in order to do so, I am going to be using the Vivid Brights cream colors. I'll be using 4 of these, so I'll be using the yellow color, which is called the Light Show. Then I'm gonna be using the color Cyberpop, Love Overdose, and I'm finishing off with Rebellious Edge. So I'll be using a concealer brush to apply this onto my face, and then afterwards I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender. So now for the plants, I am going to be, well, duplicating and this shape.